Hello, my name is Bryan and this is my speech on teacher dispositions. As a future special education teacher, my role is essential in supporting the learning and growth of students with diverse needs. First, I will work to design and implement IEPs that address each student's unique strengths, challenges, and learning styles. This includes planning, ongoing assessment, and adapting my instructional approach to ensure progress. Beyond the classroom, I will play a critical role in collaborating with gen ed teachers, administrators, and families. Together, we will align goals, share strategies, and foster a supportive environment where students can thrive. By upholding the highest professional and ethical standards, I will advocate for my students, protect their rights, and empower them to reach their full potential. I will also be committed to advancing the field of special education. I will actively participate in professional development and stay up to date on the latest research and practices. By working together with my colleagues, I strive to elevate the teaching profession and ensure that all students, regardless of their needs, receive a high quality education. Two dispositions I feel that are going to be key to my future success are setting realistic expectations for my students and being aware of the unique learning and social needs of my students. I understand that each child is an individual with their own strengths, challenges, and circumstances. It's my responsibility to meet them where they are and provide the support they need to grow and thrive. Rather than have a one-size-fits-all approach, I will get to know my students on a deeper level. I will assess their current skills, learning styles, and social and emotional well-being, and then tailor my instruction and expectations accordingly. For some students, that might mean breaking down tasks into smaller, more manageable steps. For others, it can involve doing more hands-on, multisensory activities to keep them engaged and motivated. By setting expectations that are aligned with each student's needs, I hope to create an environment where they can achieve success and build confidence. At the same time, I will be sensitive to the social dynamics in my classroom, fostering a culture of acceptance, empathy, and mutual support. When students feel safe and understood, they are more likely to take risks, make mistakes, and reach their full potential. One disposition I feel I need to work on is fostering the curiosity of students. I found my passion to teach through my background in sports. Oftentimes in sports, there's only one particular way to solve a problem. Being entrenched in this type of approach doesn't lend itself to fostering the curiosity of students. A few steps I can take to fix this will be encouraging my students to ask questions, explore their interests, and investigate the world around them. This might involve incorporating hands-on activities, asking open-ended questions, and validating their thoughts and opinions. Students feel safe to express their feelings. They can one day hope to develop the crucial critical thinking skills they will one day need. As educators, we must acknowledge that we all have our own personal biases that can significantly impact the interactions we have with students and families. These biases can lead to us making informed, inaccurate opinions about students' abilities, potential, and behavior, which in turn can profoundly shape the relationships we build. For example, teachers can sometimes hold lower expectations for students with disabilities or students from marginalized backgrounds. These biases can manifest itself in the way we communicate with these students, the opportunities we provide them, and the level of support we offer. These lower expectations can become self-fulfilling prophecies as students internalize the belief that they are incapable of success. Our biases can also affect our relationships with families. If we make assumptions about a family's level of engagement, it can create barriers that affect communication and collaboration. This is especially problematic if strong relationships between schools and families are crucial for supporting student growth. By developing self-awareness and seeking out diverse perspectives, we can work to mitigate the negative impacts of our personal biases. In doing so, we can create equitable, inclusive, and supportive learning environments where every student and family feels trusted, valued, and respected.